Today I would like to show you how to do a master reset or factory reset on a Ekey D Line. The following tools you will need: extended screwdriver Phillips and a 1.5mm Allen key. The motherboard for the Ekey D Line is here on the hinge side. And there are two screws on the top and bottom. Depending how much you can open up the door and what type of hinges the door has, you might or might not be able to take out the screws. If you don't manage to come there with the screwdriver, you would have to take the door out of the hinges and then take out the screws. Now on this one I just manage. So now I come to the motherboard. That is the brain and the motherboard of the Ekey. Now all what you have to do, I take this aside for the moment. There is a hole here, and in there you have to press for 5 to 6 seconds and you will do a full factory reset. Please watch in the same time as well the Ekey display, because it will change color. Now you can see it came off, started flashing, and now we are finished. Now you can put the motherboard back again. Once this is finished, put into place all the screws and the display is flashing, it means the D-Line is now fully ready to be reprogrammed again by the end customer. For this, the end customer has to download the Ekey Bionics app and then reprogram it. Follow the display or watch an extra video which we have, which shows how to program the Ekey D Line. Good luck.